So a quick note on this, we had to design this large bracket to replace the OEM foot pegs, passenger foot pegs, and the issue primarily was that the brake reservoir was also attached to the passenger foot pegs. So we had to come up with a different solution. And we 3D printed this. Currently only in the prototype stage. We might tweak it a bit more. We'll probably reinforce it, and after some testing, we'll probably end up adding some hook here to keep this brake hose out of trouble. Okay, so there's still some fine tuning to do, but this is the idea pretty much. And it's nicely tucked away, doesn't stick out. There you go. Let us know your thoughts on this. We appreciate your feedback.